Hi everyone. Today our group is going to walk you through something fascinating called the barrier grid illusion. Firstly, I'm going to walk you through the illusion in action. Watch closely as the striped grid moves across what is actually just an image. Notice how your brain automatically perceives movement even though nothing in the actual picture is changing. This is the barrier grid illusion at work. It is completely fooling your visual system. The barrier grid illusion takes one static image and transforms it into what looks like a looping animation, just by sliding a striped pattern over it. There are two key layers working together. First, you have the animation layer at the back. This is where multiple frames of the animation are sliced up into thin vertical strips and woven together. Then on top, you have the barrier grid. That's just a series of black bars with transparent gaps in between. As you slide this grid across, it reveals only certain strips at a time. This is because the strips are from the same frame. Your brain sees one coherent image that appears to move. This illusion is a goldmine for understanding how perception actually works. First off, it proves that we can see motion even when there is zero physical movement happening. It's all about how our brain processes the visual information. Second, it shows us temporal processing in action. As the grid moves, different image strips are revealed one after the other, and our brain stitches these together over time to create smooth motion. It's doing this constantly without you even realizing it. Third, perception is constructed. Your brain is actively building what you experience, not just passively recording reality like a camera. And finally, even though I just explained the whole trick to you, you still can't unsee the motion. This shows that visual perception runs on autopilot. It's automatic and unconscious, and your logical brain can't just turn it off. Our hypothesis is pretty straightforward. If we increase the speed at which we move the barrier grid, the perceived motion in the image should also appear faster. Basically, faster grid movements equals faster apparent animation. The barrier grid illusion perfectly demonstrates the gap between perception and reality. In objective reality, like if you took a high-speed camera and analyzed the image itself, absolutely nothing is moving within that picture. It's completely static. But ask anyone watching and they'll swear they see movement. This is what psychologists call apparent motion, and it shows that what we perceive as real is actually our brain's best guess about what is happening, not necessarily what's actually physically there. Illusions like this are incredibly valuable for scientists studying perception. They reveal the shortcuts and strategies our brain uses to process visual information quickly. For instance, our brain constantly fills in gaps and makes assumptions to give us a smooth, coherent view of reality. And this illusion perfectly demonstrates that process in action. Thank you for your time.